Cause I'm a boss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this fall red color that I'm so in love with. I'm just so in love with this hair color, you guys. This video is sponsored by Ali Grace. They sent me their Brazilian straight. I have in a 18-inch closure, and then I have 3 bundles of 218 and 1 bundle of 22, and the hair has been cut and styled. So let's go ahead and get in today's video. But before we get started, I'm bringing on a professional hairstylist. Her name is Bria Morrison, and she specializes in dimensional color, cuts, styling, and healthy hair. I love her, you guys. She is going to be relocating to Dallas, which I'm really sad to see her relocate. But if you're in Dallas, make sure to look her up. Let's go ahead and get into today's video.
So today I'm going to use Joico Intensities. I'm going to use 2 ruby reds, which is a deeper red. And then I'm going to do 2 reds, which is a bright, like fire engine red. And then I'm using one of the magenta just because it'll add like a violet tone to it. Also like a pinky tone. Because I like my reds to have a little bit of a violet hue. And then I'm going to lift her with Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. It is a professional brand. Being that we're just going with red, I don't have to lift her as high, so I'm probably going to use the 20 volume today just to kind of lift her hair to about a level 7. I did 2 scoops of Schwarzkopf, and then I did 6 ounces of the 20 volume. And I mix it for 45 seconds until it's nice and even. And with my red, I like to add a little shampoo into it. The shampoo allows it to spread. I don't add too much because I do want to get an even lift. So I just add some just to kind of get the bleach to spread, because I don't want it to be too light. With red, you don't want to get it lifted to a blonde. You want it to be really orange, just so it can support the red.
So she left the color on for about an hour or so, and right now she's just working it in, making sure that the color was evenly distributed, and then we're just going to leave it on for about like an hour or so. But I really love this color combo that she went with. I think it's really, really pretty, and it's super vibrant. it's very vibrant for it to only have been, like, it wasn't a blonde prior. So I'm just like really impressed, and I learned a lot by watching her do this whole process. So now I'm going to go ahead and install this unit. Because she's currently in the process of moving, she was not able to install it for me or style it for me. So I went ahead and did my own little styling. But she's coming back to Kansas City. So because she's coming back, she's going to go ahead and style it, and we'll post pictures to my Instagram. But right now I'm just going in and I'm just doing my own little styling that I normally do whenever I get a wig, and I'm just going for something simple because I want it to be a middle part. But this wig can be turned either which direction. It could be a side part, middle part, semi-middle, it don't matter. This wig can be just about anything that you want it to be. If you've ever ordered a wig from me, then you know you can always turn it to get whatever style that you are looking for. So I'm just going through and I'm straightening, and now I'm going to curl it. And in this video, I think I was using spritz, but I actually found that the Suave hairspray is bomb, you guys, from Walmart. Oh my gosh. So make sure you check that out. It's Suave, and it's their hairspray, and it's really good, and it's cheap, and I was really impressed by it. My curls do stay, so I wouldn't use spritz, but I would definitely use that hairspray. I love it. So I'm just going in and I'm curling and I'm styling, and this pretty much wraps up this video. If you want to see how the hair turned out, make sure you stay tuned for the end of this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.